Hello, this is Lynn, and I'm removing my whole middle catalytic converter today. And I cut all these bolts. See how they're hanging out here? Let's see if I can show you how this whole thing moves. Cut that bolt head off. So, alright, then we got this hanger bracket where that baby's ready to go. Let's see. See how that's moving. Alright, the first one, okay, here's the flange here. Cut that bolt. And the first one I had to cut was way down here. Alright. This is the part that, once I cut that one, and this was a whole clamp here that went on there, that I cut the bolts. And I'm going to replace that with a stainless steel clamp. But when that one goes backwards, it detaches everything. So, it's coming off. You know, and you can, this one I know I had the guy replace, but this flange is really thin here. Especially at the bottom. There was water. Condensation comes out, actually. So, we're going to see what we can do. Replace the whole pipe. Okay, I got the whole old pipe out. And I got this part of the muffler, because I removed that clamp, and I got it taped up there. But there's the old muffler. There's the new one. But what I got to do is clean up these, make it so bolts can go through there. That one was completely gone, if you remember. Rusted out there. But I also have to clean this flange. And I have another, like, replacement flange adapter. And put a gasket in there and kind of clean everything up. Okay. Here's that flange. And here, I don't know what this is. Some kind of gasket that they had there. That's all coming off, which might be good. I gotta get these bolts, 2 bolts out of here. But look at that. Wow. Peeling City. So we'll see. But we're cleaning things up. There's so much rust crust underneath here, it's not even funny. Wow. Alright, talk to you soon. Okay, here's the old one and the new one. I got it out because I released that one clamp. And you can see here how there's like nothing left to this one. The difference here in the flanges. And then we're going to see if these bolts line up with the bracket. But there was only one holding it on anyhow. But, and then, here's the last flange. No wonder why the thing was so loud and the oxygen sensor went off. Oh, I'm preparing this surface. Trying to get that bolt out of there. I got a pick. And I'm picking this rust out of here. Trying to get it out of here. Pound it with a hammer. This one came out, which, you know, they're all so rusted that I'll pound right out of there. I don't know what I'm going to do to really repair this flange, but all I know is it's going to be better. And I'm also going to prepare this surface right here. Like this, I got a towel in there so nothing falls into the catalytic converter, like tons of grindings of metal shavings from the grinder, because I grinded the hell out of the top of that bolt. Alright, coming along. So now we have this part of this flange on. I'm leaving this for now because how much can you do in one day? But this is basically like a plug of metal that both sides are ground off. So I can't do much with that. But what I'm gonna do is take a vice grip and put pressure right in the middle. I think this vice grip might be better. And I'm gonna try to pull this. Oh, I gotta turn off the camera. Okay. I got the vice grip on both sides of this little bolt that was completely rusted around, and finally got this baby off. Like, let's see here if I can get that off of there. The camera's on. Nope, can't do it. Okay, that's what I had the vice grip on, was this little nut. No, it came right out. Look at that. I got it grinded on both sides. It's out of here. Everything's out. Now we're going to clean up the holes and clean everything up. Put some stainless bolts in there. There we go. Let's scrape some of this away. Let's see what we got here. This is bad. This is... Okay, I want to do this part too, but... There's a gasket. We're going to see what we can do. Oh, okay. Well, we're going to put this new stainless steel clamp here. But, oh, I gotta remove this tape. But here we go, all new bolts. There's a gasket in between there. Hopefully that's how that's supposed to be, but anything will be better than what it sounded like before. All new bolts there. Alright, and then we got new little bolts on this hanger. You know, on both sides, so cool. Everything's new. And here's this flange with new bolts. And had to put some putty. The adapter didn't work. So we're all set there. There we go. I got anti-seize on those if I ever have to take it apart. But there we go. All new exhaust from that part on. Oh, it's not rusted completely. Can't wait to hear what it sounds like tomorrow. Well, this is the kind of mess you got after this. You know, here's one of the gaskets, totally fried. Here's this bottom part. This one was really gone, so that's why I replaced it. But, used all this anti-seize, but you end up sitting in, and then when you cut off the bolts, they're flaming hot and they make holes in the tarp. So they're underneath there somewhere. Can't wait to hear this muffler tomorrow. Awesome.